Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange the home screen in the Oppo Find X3 Neo. So in the first step, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your screen, and we can start from the wallpaper. If you want to change it, just select your new one, and choose apply. Now we have a new live wallpaper. The next option, the icons. Click on the allow again, and now we can make own design of the icons. So tap on the custom, you can change the shape of the icon, size of the foreground and size of the icon. You can also hide the app names, but if you want to keep it activated, you can change the size of the app name. Click on the apply, and this is how it works. The next one, widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on it and swipe to the app to the home screen, then choose the place for it. If you want to resize it, hold the finger and swipe the edge. If you want to remove that, hold the finger again and choose remove widget, configure the pop-up. The next one, layout. If you want to change the amount of the application, the rows and in the columns. Now you can go to the transition, tap on any one to play the preview and select your favorite one. Now you can go to the more, then you can change the app animation speed to make your home screen a little bit faster. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, comment and goodbye.